My dear followers, I have prepared home pickles for you. Would you like some pickled gherkins? Well, you know what? Today, Chef Oktay is preparing homemade pickled gherkins for you, my dear followers. Please stay tuned. Do not miss any of these delicious flavors. Dear followers, we will first prepare the juice of our pickled gherkins. Because the details of the pickle juice are very important. We have 2 liters of water here right now. I'm adding another liter of water. I'm using cold water. Dear followers, try using water with no chlorine as much as possible. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. I'm measuring it on a digital scale. 50 grams. 50 grams per liter, dear followers. It measures 3 tablespoons. I'm giving this measure for the followers who want to measure with a tablespoon. I am leaving the link for the digital scale below. I mean, if you want to get this scale, you can always use it in your kitchen. I put 3 spoons of salt to 3 liters of water. We have prepared it according to 3 liters. Well, now we have 3 cups of vinegar here, my dear followers. I pour the vinegar with love and stir it with a whisk and make it dissolve in the water well, together with salt and vinegar. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. The mixture of salt, vinegar and water is ready, my dear followers. Now we move on to filling the gherkins into the jar. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. After that, dear followers, I have 4 kilos of gherkin cucumbers that I bought from the market. I washed them 5 times, scrubbing them to make sure they get real clean, dear followers. Because usually the gherkins you get from the market has too much sand. Therefore, wash them as thoroughly as possible. See how shiny they got? They come out sparkling clean. That's why I'm telling you this trick. So, now I'm preparing a big jar of homemade pickles. What do the doctors say? Eat homemade pickles. My sweeties, you should go in different ways. Well, hurry up, Chef Oktay. Your followers want to see some homemade pickles. Shake them every once in a while so that they fill the gaps. Pretty good so far. Now, I have prepared mixed pickles in jars for you before on my channel. It is possible to find a variety of pickles on my channel, dear followers. Now, I fill the jar with gherkins like this, and then I'll put some dill on the top. Well, we have completely filled the jar right now, dear followers. Also, I'll add garlic cloves once again at the top. If you wonder how much garlic I've added to this jar in total, I have put 3 heads of garlic. Of course, you can use less or more garlic. Now, we have some dill here. Look, we take the dill, bring it over here. We curl it and fill it here on top of the jar. Dill adds a nice flavor here, dear followers. It also prevents the cucumbers at the top from getting dehydrated. Well, we're done placing the dill. Now what? My darling, where are you? It's time for the pickles to meet their juice. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. About the jars. This is an 8-liter jar, my dear followers. This jar bears around 4 to 5 kilos of pickled gherkins. I mean cucumber. But if you like, you can make it in small jars. The most important thing here is to keep it in a cold place. If you keep it in a dark and cold place, your pickles will not change color at all, my dear followers. Those who have got extra space in their fridge can make small jars and keep them in the fridge. I am now trying to share recipes for you as much as I can. My precious followers, this jar is almost full. Oh my dear, let's fill it to the brim. There shouldn't be any gap at all. We'll take the air out once on day 3. Just open the lid once and close it right away. After that, I hope it will be ready in 40 days. But some of my followers may say it'll be ready in 30 days. Some say we're good to go after 30 days. Dear followers, let's see. I follow and read your comments and try to answer them. Our pickled gherkins are ready now. I'm closing the lid. We keep our pickled gherkins in a dark and cool place with love, dear followers. Chef Oktay will keep posting recipes for you. We're up to winter preparations now. What do the doctors suggest? Eat homemade pickles, also homemade yogurt. I also do have a yogurt recipe for you on YouTube, my dear followers. Take care of yourselves. Stay healthy. I love you very much. Goodbye. See you in my next video.